Time flies. Understanding duration in English. Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today, we will be exploring a very important aspect of the English language, words related to duration of time. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use duration words like second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year, decade, and century. Let's start our journey into the world of English duration. Firstly, we will go through each duration word, starting from the smallest unit, a second, to the largest unit, a century. A second is the smallest standard measure of time. For instance, you may say, "Wait a second," when asking someone to pause briefly. A minute is made up of 60 seconds. You might say, "I'll be ready in a minute," when you need a short period of time to prepare. An hour consists of 60 minutes. You could use it as in, "The meeting lasted an hour," to express duration. A day comprises 24 hours. It's used in phrases like, "I haven't seen you all day." A week is a period of 7 days. You might say, "I go to the gym twice a week." A month usually spans 30 or 31 days, except for February. A sentence could be, "I have lived here for a month." A year consists of 12 months. For example, "I will graduate in a year." A decade is a period of 10 years. An example could be, "This tradition has lasted for a decade." Finally, a century is a whopping 100 years. For instance, "This building is a century old." Now that we've looked at the basic units, let's see how to apply them in daily conversation and writing. Remember, you can use these words to express the length of an event, like how long a movie lasts, or the period between 2 points in time, such as the time from when you start studying to when you finish. They are also essential when talking about historical events or future plans. Here are a few examples. "I waited for him for an hour." "She studied for 3 weeks for the exam." "They have been friends for a decade." In all these cases, the duration words are used to specify the period of time something happened over. Practice using these duration words in your daily conversations and you will find it becomes second nature. That's all for today, folks. We've learned about duration words in English: second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year, decade, and century. Use these words to express time in English and enhance your conversation skills. Remember, practice is key to mastering these concepts. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more English learning videos. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning!